Today's video is on another AliExpress product that I've purchased. These are carbon fibre door handle covers. I've paid roughly about £85. The link will be in the description if you want to go ahead and purchase it. Just like to stress that I have no affiliation with the seller. It's just a product that I've seen and I quite like to purchase and review it for you guys so you can see what's potentially out there. I'll just show you what kind of box you will receive in the post. Pretty nice presentable box. You do get some 3M tape, no instructions for installation. I would recommend you to wash your car for installation. So that's the cutout for the light just there, and that's the inside section.
I will admit that this process was a bit tedious, as you need to fit the 3M tape into each individual cover, which takes a little bit of time, but if you're patient you'll get a great result. As I mentioned previously on the video, don't forget to degrease the surfaces that you'll be covering to ensure a proper fitment. During this process I actually found out it's better to clip the cover on the underside of the door handle first and then wiggle it up to the top side of the door handle, and then that way that will ensure a better fitment.
So the fitment is okay, it's not the greatest, as you can see here. So it fits with that plastic line, but then it overlaps it down here. That's for the front side. On the rear door, the fitment looks great on here on the front, on the rear and in the front, but the middle section overlaps slightly. And then this is the thing I mentioned earlier, so on the bottom all the way around the fitment looks okay, and then you've got that cutout for the light so you can retain that light working in the evening, which is all good.
So to conclude, what do I think of the product? Aesthetically it looks pleasing. The only downside that I found that due to the car being black, it's not that noticeable until you start walking 4 feet towards the vehicle itself. Obviously it would look better on the other colours that are available in the F40 range. Price wise, I think it's considerably pretty good. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.